Off-page SEO is all about boosting your website's visibility and credibility outside of your own website. Think of it as building a strong reputation for your business online. Just like in the real world, a good reputation can make a big difference. Why should you care about off-page SEO? Well, it's because it tells search engines like Google that your website is trustworthy and valuable. When other websites link to yours, it's like they're vouching for you saying, "Hey, this website has great content." Off-page SEO helps your website rank higher in search results. This means more people will find you online. It also builds trust with potential customers. They're more likely to buy from a business they see as credible and reliable. In a nutshell, off-page SEO is crucial for attracting more visitors to your website, generating leads, and ultimately, growing your business. Imagine you're looking for a new restaurant to try. You might ask friends for recommendations or check online reviews. You trust their opinions because they've had first-hand experience. Off-page SEO works similarly. When other websites link to yours, it's like they're giving you a vote of confidence. These backlinks act as signals to search engines that your website is a credible source of information. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more authority your website gains. Authority is like a popularity contest for websites. The more popular you are, that is, the more backlinks you have, the higher you rank in search results. But it's not just about quantity, it's also about quality. A backlink from a well-respected website in your industry is worth more than a dozen backlinks from spammy or irrelevant websites. Off-page SEO helps you build a strong online presence and establish your website as a trusted authority in your niche. Off-page SEO used to be all about getting as many backlinks as possible, regardless of their quality. However, search engines have become smarter over time, and they now prioritize quality over quantity. Today, off-page SEO is about building genuine relationships and engaging with your target audience across different online platforms. It's about creating valuable content that people want to share and talk about. Social media plays a crucial role in modern off-page SEO. When people share your content on social media, it increases your brand's visibility and reach. It also helps you connect with potential customers and build relationships. Other important aspects of off-page SEO include online reputation management, local SEO, and even influencer outreach. The key is to create a holistic strategy that encompasses various tactics to enhance your online presence. Link building is a crucial aspect of off-page SEO. It involves acquiring backlinks from other websites to your own. Think of backlinks as votes of confidence from other websites. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more credible your website appears to search engines. There are two main types of backlinks: natural backlinks and built backlinks. Natural backlinks are earned organically when other websites link to your content because they find it valuable. Built backlinks, on the other hand, are acquired through proactive efforts like guest blogging, broken link building, or directory submissions. Guest blogging involves writing and publishing articles on other websites in your industry. This allows you to reach a wider audience and acquire backlinks to your website. Broken link building involves finding broken links on other websites and suggesting your own content as a replacement. Directory submissions involve listing your website on relevant online directories. This can help improve your website's visibility and acquire backlinks. Social media is, honestly, an indispensable tool for off-page SEO. It provides an avenue to connect with your target audience, share your content, and build brand awareness. When used strategically, social media can significantly enhance your off-page SEO efforts. So, start by creating profiles on relevant social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Share engaging and informative content that really resonates with your audience. Use a mix of text, images, and videos to keep your content diverse and, well, captivating. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, answering questions, and participating in relevant conversations. This shows that you're invested in building relationships and not just interested in self-promotion. And collaborating with influencers in your industry can also amplify your reach and drive traffic to your website. Building a strong brand is honestly essential for long-term off-page SEO success. Your brand, represents your business's identity, values, and reputation. A strong brand really resonates with your target audience, fosters trust, and sets you apart from the competition. It's important to consistently communicate your brand message across all online platforms, including your website, social media profiles, and guest blog posts. Use a consistent brand voice, tone, and imagery to create a cohesive brand experience. Also, focus on delivering exceptional customer service both online and offline. Positive customer experiences translate into positive online reviews and word-of-mouth marketing, which can significantly benefit your off-page SEO. Reputation management is, without a doubt, crucial for maintaining a positive brand image and mitigating any negative sentiment online. Make sure to monitor online mentions of your brand and address any negative reviews or comments promptly and professionally. Engage with satisfied customers and encourage them to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, and social media. It's also a good idea to encourage customers to provide feedback, both positive and negative. This shows that you value their opinions and are committed to continuous improvement. Measuring the success of your off-page SEO efforts is, honestly, essential to ensure that your strategies are effective. There are several tools and metrics that can help you track your progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your website's traffic, backlinks, and keyword rankings. You should also track your social media engagement metrics, such as likes, shares, comments, and follower growth. Don't forget to keep an eye on your online reviews and ratings on platforms like Google My Business and Yelp. Regularly analyze your data to identify areas where your off-page SEO strategies are performing well, and of course, areas that need improvement. Mastering off-page SEO is really an ongoing journey that requires effort, consistency, and a commitment to building genuine relationships online. By focusing on building a strong brand reputation, acquiring high-quality backlinks, and engaging with your target audience, you can significantly enhance your website's visibility, credibility, and ultimately, your business's success. Remember, off-page SEO is not a quick fix but a long-term investment in your online presence. Stay updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes, and continue to adapt your strategies accordingly. With dedication and a strategic approach, you can harness the power of off-page SEO to drive sustainable growth for your business.